Shooting a customized A3dtf printer, assembly and packing DTF, also known as direct-to-film, and DTG printers are widely used in the textile printing, but compared to DTG, DTF is more accurate, flexible and cheaper to start with if you want to make your own. This A3dtf printer is not only a machine, but also a faithful partner for your creative. The DTF printer prints ink directly onto a special transfer film pad. The process begins with the printer's printheads printing the design onto the film with a high degree of precision, including a wide range of colors, and, after printing, the design on the film needs to be transferred to clothing or other textiles by means of a thermal. During the thermal transfer process, heat and pressure cause the ink on the film to sublimate and penetrate into the fibers of the textile, allowing the pattern to. The DTF printer has a wide range of applications. It can not only be used for all kinds of textiles, such as cotton, polyester fiber, blended clothing, etc. The pattern printed by DTF has bright color and high saturation. It is to adjust and optimize the color to a certain extent by means of transfer printing. Our machine adopts Epson Dual XP600 printheads, printing color with high precision and vivid colors. The factory will repeatedly test the printheads during assembly to ensure that the ink supply system and printheads can be operated without error. The print size of the machine is about 300 mm infinite length. The cost of this machine is lower than the DTG. DTF consumables mainly include transfer film, ink and thermal transfer powder. The cost of transfer film is relatively low, and it can be printed on the film in bulk for stock, and then transferred according to the demand of the order, which improves the production efficiency. Equipped with ink colors, you can print all kinds of customized patterns and colors at will. After the machine is assembled, it is inspected and cleaned several times to ensure the quality of the machine received by the customer. Our ink supply system has automatic ink supply, flash spray plus automatic cleaning. We are our own source factory, after-sales protection, independent research and development, direct sales. The factory will repeatedly test the printheads during assembly to ensure that the ink supply system and printheads can be operated without error. We strictly control every step of the assembly, repeatedly to ensure the quality of the machine, quality control, so that customers can save the heart.